Every individual, professional, and business, we all live and work inside the documents we create every day, where we write ideas, build plans, analyze data, create reports, and finalize documents that define our identity and our credibility. Now, imagine if every document you create could carry your legal confidence instantly. Say hello to Privy on Microsoft. Now, you can sign documents seamlessly with Privy's legally binding digital signature directly within your workspace. No switching platforms, no PDF conversion and upload hassles, and no worries about legality. When productivity aligns with legality, your work is not only finished but also trusted. Add your Privy add-in in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and start Sign Where You Work with Privy.